So for the elimination also there are conditions whether the Sadzeff product will be major or the Hoffman product will be major. See, in the case where I have explained you about the elimination only, there I have told you that it is the Sadzeff product which is major, because that is what is gives the most stability to the alkene. There are more number of the alpha hydrogens, right? So, but there are certain exceptions that many times Hoffman product will be the major product. When this happens? When case 1, what is the condition? Condition is, I'll tell you that condition is base is bulky. When you take that base a little bulky, it cannot move and it cannot abstract the hydrogen because lot of steric hindrance is there if it is bulky. Means, let's take one example. First I'll show you the example where there is a beta elimination. In the beta elimination, the Sadzeff product is major. Means, if I take this a tertiary alkyl halide, let's take this CH3 Br and CH2 CH3. I'm taking this and I'm taking an alcoholic base. Okay, see, this is not a condition for this. I'm just giving an example where OH minus is not bulky. OH minus is very small, alcoholic KOH, right? So what it will do is, what this OH minus is going to do is, like here also there are two beta hydrogens. One is this and two beta carbon. It can abstract this and this. It is going to abstract this hydrogen. This OH minus is going to abstract this hydrogen, and then this will leave, and you are going to get a most substituted alkene as this. This is the alkene which you are going to get, most stable alkene. Other alkene in this case, which is a minor, it is this. It is going to abstract this hydrogen, right? If I show you, it is going to abstract this hydrogen, and then you are going to get a other alkene which is slightly less stable than this. This is minor product and this is major product. Now the thing is, if I keep my alkyl halide same, let's say I take this my alkyl halide, I keep this alkyl halide same, Br, CH2, CH3, right? In this case, what I change is, I change my base. Let's say I am taking my base to be a tertiary butoxide. This is what my base is, which is bulkier than this OH minus. So what happens is that it cannot abstract this hydrogen, this bulkier, because of already there is lot of steric hindrance. There is lot of steric hindrance, and this O minus cannot abstract this. It cannot abstract this because this is also crowded. Then what it will do is that it will abstract this hydrogen. Who? This sterically hindered base is going to abstract this hydrogen. Means your major product in this case is this. This will be your major product, and other is, this will be your minor product. So this is a case 1. This is a case 1 where Hoffman product is major. Why? Base is bulky. So this is what the condition for this. When base is small, the Sadzeff product is major. Sadzeff product is major. So this is the thing.